Redmi Turbo 4 Honest Review. The full truth you need to know. The Redmi Turbo 4 is packed with powerful features. No doubt, it offers an impressive AMOLED display, a massive 6550 mAh battery, and the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra, a chipset built for speed. You've probably heard a lot of praises about this phone, but does it truly live up to the hype? I'm here to give you the full picture, the good, the bad, and everything in between. This review is different. While others might gloss over the details, I will break down everything so you know exactly what you are getting. But first, here is something you should really think about. Will you spend over $300 on a smartphone without knowing its hidden flaws? Some brands make big claims about performance, but what's the reality when you actually start using the device? If you do not find out now, you might end up regretting your choice. This is why you should watch this video to the end, because I will reveal the full truth, including the actual price and whether it's really worth it. Oh, and before we continue, if this is your first time watching my video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's one of the ways you appreciate what you're about to watch, and it also helps the channel grow. The Redmi Turbo 4 was released on January 2nd, 2025, and it comes in three stylish colors: black, classic and sleek; white, clean and premium looking; blue, a fresh, modern choice. Which color would you prefer? Drop a comment below. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display is a big win here. It's sharp, vibrant and perfect for watching video or gaming, but there's more. 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels smooth, and animation about 3. 1220 at 2712 resolution, higher than standard 1080 pixel for crisp visual. IP68 rating. This means it does and water resistant, a feature you actually see in flagship device. The only downside, the screen brightness could have been even better for outdoor use, but overall, this display is one of the best you will find at this price point. Network and connectivity, future-proof with 5G. If you are still stuck on 4G, this phone will prepare you for the future. It supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G network. Plus, it comes with a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Type-C charging, OTG, NFC, and an infrared port, meaning you can even use it as a remote control. Camera. Is it really that good? The Redmi Turbo 4 offers a dual camera setup at the back. 50 megapixel main camera, great for detailed shots. 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, cover mode in a single shot. On the front, there is a 20 megapixel selfie camera, good for selfie and video calls. But here is the real talk. While the camera captures sharp images in good lighting condition, the night photography could have been better. If you take a lot of photos in low light condition, you might need to tweak the settings or use an external light. Still, for this price, the camera quality is quite solid. But will you use this phone for professional photography? Let me know in the comments. If you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button. Memory and performance. Can it handle heavy usage? With up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, you won't run out of space or experience lag. Here are the options available. The first version, you get a 256GB of internal storage paired with 12GB of RAM, while the second version also comes with a 256GB of storage paired with 16GB of RAM. The third version comes with 512GB of internal storage paired with 12GB of RAM. Lastly, the fourth version comes with 512GB of internal storage paired with 16GB of RAM. Also, coming with the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor, this phone can handle gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps with ease. However, one thing to keep in mind, the phone can heat up slightly during extended gaming season, but for daily use, it's a beast. Will you pick the 12GB or the 16GB version? Let me know in the comment section. Battery life, a 6550 mAh battery powerhouse. Now, this is where the Redmi Turbo 4 truly shines. 6550 mAh battery can last over a day on normal use. 90 watts fast charging. Charges very fast via Type-C. Just imagine running out of battery and getting a 50% charge in just 20 minutes. The only issue, no wireless charging, but at this price, it is understandable. Software, Android 15 and a Hyper operating system too. Out of the box, the Redmi Turbo 4 runs Android 15 with Hyper operating system too. You get a smooth animation, better RAM management and security updates, but there are some pre-installed apps you might not need. Luckily, you can uninstall most of them. The price. Is it really worth it? Here is the official price range. The 12GB version paired with 156GB of storage comes at the range of $273, which is equivalent to 408,000 naira in Nigeria. The 16GB of RAM version paired with 256GB internal storage comes at the range of $301, which is equivalent to 450,000 naira in Nigeria. The 12GB of RAM version paired with 512GB of internal storage comes at the range of $315, which is equivalent to 475,000 naira in Nigeria. While lastly, the 16GB of RAM paired with 512GB of internal storage comes at the range of $342, which is equivalent to 511,000 naira in Nigeria. For international viewers, compare this price to your local currency to see if it's a good deal in your country. Now, here is the big question. Will you buy the Redmi Turbo 4 at this price, or do you think there is a better option? Let me know in the comment section below. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Redmi Turbo 4? If you want a powerful phone with an AMOLED display, 5G, a massive battery and a fast charging, then yes, this phone is worth considering. If you care about wireless charging or top-tier night photography, you might want to think twice. Before you go, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss my next review. It could save you from making the wrong purchase. See you in the next video.